You guys wanted a two-stroke point of view video. Well, we're here to deliver. The 2024 GasGas MC125 is on deck. Look at this thing. Stay tuned. We're gonna make the little 125 sing today. Look at this thing in the morning sun. Wow, dude. Second gear. Oh my God. Holy shit, guys. Wow. What a fucking rocket ship. Gonna do another second gear start. Wow, dude. This thing is insane. It loves to be revved. That is crazy. Billy, my heart is pumping.
Yeah, I can see why. Mine is just standing here watching you. Holy shit.
This thing barks.
What a ripper.
Unreal, dude.
Out of the box winner, man. That's hot shit.
Out of the box winner.
Sounds sick, man. The fuel injection sounds awesome.
This thing's like getting shot out of a cannon here. And the overrev's insane, dude. Like, it's like the old HPP Hondas where they don't stop revving, you know?
You got 9,000 RPM on them?
Dude, it just revs forever. You know? Wow. Second gear whole shot, I was just perfectly controlling the front end. Click third and you're gone. It was going fast, dude. I thought the last year one was good with the keying on it, but this is next level. New animal for sure. Yeah, I gotta go wash it. I want to ride the 250 after riding this thing.
Oh, it's probably the 300. I heard it say.
Crazy. What do you think, Bill?
I like. Man, oh man. That is just a rocket ship. Lightweight. What's the weight, Ken?
Light. Yeah. Even down low, like I was getting away, being a gear high in the in the low speed. Slip the clutch once, get a little bit of wheel spin, and you're just in the meat and you're gone. You know. Yeah, a lot of 125s aren't that forgiving.
Right. Yeah. They're more of a switch.
Yeah.
It's got a broad range.
This is super easy to ride, and predictable too.
Right.
Nothing like a freshie. Wow.